Hello, monkey. So most things for the exit and key update we finished, so the functionality is there. We have to test things and fix bugs if we find some. And we have to do some polishing and modeling and so on, and refactoring, not refactoring per se, but cleanups. So it will be like maybe today and Sunday, or I wouldn't guess longer, to clean up everything, and then we can see if we can go to some other topics. So first of all, I don't want to use this anymore as my board. Let's make an actor that is specially for these post-its. I'll put here all this issue board. And we can remove it on the other side. Yeah. Could even make pages here. Okay, where do we begin? We have some design problems. Get rid of the... Let's clean up. Deprecate, clean up. Checking. Testing. Change particle. This are for look, polish, refactor, interact, trigger. Okay, so let's begin with the modeling and texturing one first. For the flower one, we could make a giant hexagon flower. Or maybe a flower that has a beginning on the edge of a whatever, and then it just stretches out. Something like that. Maybe the bridges are also like just plants. Like, what are they called? Not ropes. Lians? Is that a word? Vine. Never mind, that was the German word. The vine. When I say wine, people always say that I say it like the beverage, or the beverage as the wine, like the plant. I'm never sure how to pronounce those two. For me, they sound similar or same. Give flower some kind of material. That I need to go back to Blender. Should I give this thing a material even? Hello, baby. Yes, indeed. Trippy. I think I really shouldn't care about the relation of the pixels anymore. Maybe I should get a lower res texture, but I should not care that one pixel here should be the same size as here. That's not how they worked in the old games anyway. I believe. Do you have time next week, Friday? Man. Nice. I mean, there's a public holiday on the 1st of May, which is a Thursday. So I also took a vacation on Friday. I just make it smaller. I don't know. This maybe. Let's maybe make size a little same. Now the problem is I cannot just put here a thing. I would need to select everything again. We will eyeball it. Good enough. How about Saturday then? I'll make a poll. I even create a poll. Add hide station. Create a poll. There we go. Okay, use it again. Wait, the 1st of May is Thursday, so the 2nd is Friday. There we go. Well, let's get the layout in here. Why does it always jump to there? Well, let's see. How should I color this little flower of ours? I mean, it really doesn't matter, right? The problem I see with coloring stuff that are significant to the islands is, what do I do if we are in an element? Know what I mean? I could go with white and grayscales and whatever. And then just use a material, change the color, depending on where we are. Maybe I can do 2 layers. One where I have the normal color, where it will be always the same on every single flower, and one that changes color, that is on top of it. Something like that. Let's go with a darkish green here. The underside. would assume it is the same color as this. Although, if I have vines going up here, they should match with here, right? Will not match. I really don't care right now. Oops, I should care about that. That. Everything's green. Green too. Now what do we do with this guy? We could even use the poles to go into this flower. The problem is, it would hit the flower first before it would hit the ground. There are multiple things I could do about that, but not that important right now. So how should this look like? If you look in Unreal, wait, where is it? I forgot. And interactions. Under keys here. So our friend here, when it opens, cannot see, of course. When it opens, should be in here. Like this. And there's like this energy part. Maybe I should have put these things on top of each other. Ah, but then I cannot do different patterns. Okay. Oh, hello. Sorry, I didn't look at the chat. Hello, Kona. Your fries? Like, I told you what to do, didn't I? Get the potatoes, dry them, make the oil hot but not too hot. Use one potato to look. If it bubbles a lot and doesn't get black immediately, the temperature is perfect. And then you just put in like a handful and then fry them for a couple of minutes. Well, Bevy, Bevy. Man. Oh, this looks awful. I don't care. Yeah, you guys should settle this in Supreme Commander. Play right now. No thanks. Ist das F mich nicht nach oder F mir nicht nach? Hm. Monkey doesn't know. What is Chancel? Nisel? Try again. Diesel? Nope. You can do it. Thank you, ChatGPT. Did you guys hear about the thing with ChatGPT that it costs millions for the company when people tell it thank you and please? Yes. It's so stupid. Okay, Kona. I hope you don't die. Got a screenshot out of that, huh? I make this darker. This, Adios, muchacho. Wait, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. Wait, it does work, does it? I'm stupid. I mean, probably the gendering is wrong, but yes, but I was thinking about she's Italian. I said muchacho, and I didn't think about that adios is Spanish. You know? I was like, ah, okay, she's Italian. She said adios, it is Italian. But it's not. My brain, man. Holy shit. Make a hexagon here. How do I make a hexagon? Well, I cannot make a perfect hexagon. That's for sure. But I don't care. Looks rather perfect. Oop. I'm back. Like, when do I put a fries in? Okay, you make it hot and guess when it's hot, but not too hot. It should be hot, but not too hot. Then when you are kinda certain, okay, it's hot, you put in one fry, just one, and then watch it. The time is like feeling. But if you have, like, it depends on how much oil you have. The more oil you have, the more it needs to heat up. Or else, of course, you can use a thermometer, but you don't have that, I guess. Please don't die. Baby, did you ever cook? Bye-bye. No, cook in general. Yeah, that's why I'm asking. I see. When I moved, how to say, when I moved to a, what is it called again? Student thingy? A dorm. There you go. That was the first time I had to cook for myself, I think. I don't remember what I did back in those days. But I think the food I did there wasn't very special. But when I moved where I'm here, then I started to cook bigger meals, like normal dinners and so on. And that was a learning curve, I guess. And after a while you figure it out. Oh, how should we do the pattern here, or here even? Need something here. I just... much over. I hate this so much. I don't know, something like that. I don't care. Do they have to match? Maybe not. I saw so many people come and go. Okay, I could make many things. But I think I will just go with this. I spent way too much time on this. So first we have to start. And okay. Export as keyflower source energy texture. Source energy. That it? How does it look like if I put in here? Something like this. I mean, it's not bad, but it's also not good. I guess. It's better than nothing. Port. Wait. Port of course. Import. Here. Items. Our import. Okay. Now we do a little material. This guy. Items. Our what the? I'm on Kona's TV. Can't see myself. He's frying the fries. I hope they turn out well. Mine didn't. I'm not an expert. She just sent me a picture of what she's doing. Hi. And then we add this guy, and then we can see on here already, which means we can now add this to our keyflower. And it is there. Huh. Well, you look at that. So cool. Thanks. Okay, let's add stuff in here. How did we do the pulsing again? Ah, I need like okay. A little. Can copy this part. What are we doing here? We're masking. This part we don't need. Okay. If I copy this over, fine. This on emissive and then of course I would need to feed it with this thing. Won't work as I want to because we are using the absolute world thing, but I mean, whatever. But this blackness I don't like. I should turn it to blue, right? Although, no. Middle part should be different. This should always glow. Okay, but we don't care right now. No over polishing right now. Really doesn't matter. Let's try this to pulsate. For that I need the cave. See, here? No, here. Island, cave interior, this guy. How do we do it? This tick, pulse 1, 2, 3. And then we are sending it. How could I read it out from here? Put it on that thingy. Welcome back! How are they? They're too hot right now, I would assume. Of course! Rule number 5. I would assume they're not crisp, but they're good enough. I still didn't figure out how to make them crisp without burning. Maybe I need like a fryer. Find out. Really? God damn it, then I just fail. Because mine are not crisp when I do them. At least they turn, how to say, soft at some point. Did you get like pre-prepared fries or did you cut them yourself? You cut them yourself, I can see it. Yeah, not soggy, but like soft. They just get a little moisture from the air and then, I don't know. What? Why didn't you wait for your grandma to fry them then? You're funny. So should I have some function that puts Korean instances in here, or should I send this and broadcast it? When did she cut them then? I should broadcast this. Full broadcast on a tick. What's the distance one? Maybe I should get that value too. And broadcast. Okay. Wait, this shouldn't be here. This should be in the cave. Correct. What you doing right now? Eating? Maybe even this needs to be in the abstract, I don't know. And this is not correct. fine though. Maybe this part needs to be here, but I really don't know. For now it works. So we're broadcasting this. Now we have to initialize this guy and bind to it. That's the interaction. How do we bind to it? Do I just search? No, wait. Bind. Bolts. The function. Save bolts. Oh. Like so. And now this will get the pulse. We just need to create the same thing what we do here. Material to be dense. What? Color. Yeah. We need this, that, but whatever. Care about this. Let's color. There's much to do. I don't care right now. Skeletal mesh. But and the color right now we just say red. Let's make more. Nice. Now that we have that, I started. It should be pulsating with it, right? Or did I forget something? Let's find out. I think today I really didn't concentrate to do something productive. I did something like this that doesn't work. Oh, I think the normals are wrong. Normals are wrong. No, then the normals are not wrong. Need to make this double-sided. Which it is. The thing is, we are creating the wrong instance. And now it should look like a flower. I mean, you know what I mean. There it is. I didn't see the energy though. Yeah, it's not pulsating. Damn it. Why though? If pulses should... Ah! What's going on? If pulse... I forgot. I have to do this. Oop. And here we are. Now it should be pulsating too. See. Ooh. That looked crazy. Why doesn't the cave? Holy shit. Hang on. I think the distance is different than the cave one, that's why it's doing stuff differently. It looks very, very strange. Why is it not having it from origin though? Why is it not pulsating anymore? Probably because of the distance. What is the distance on our map? Yeah, save, whatever. 3,000. pulse distance. Problem? Anything else? Load growth speed. I mean, that's... I don't see anything different. No, it's not pulsating. Ah, because it's not getting initialized. Right. No, pulsating anymore. Why? Did I even receive it? Does it receive it? 1, 2, 3. Balance this there. Monkey does not understand. It pulsated before, why doesn't it? Ah, it's multiplied, not plus. course stupid. Okay, now it should do it right. There's nothing different. Before it doesn't work. Oh, the floor doesn't work. What the hell was that? What? There is like one pulse that goes up here that doesn't belong to the floor. Am I dreaming? Or was it maybe not compiled? It makes no sense. But yeah, now our little flower does the thingy. Of course not how I want it, but fine. Ooh, looks creepy. Right? I wanted to grow from the stem, but for that I would need to change how it behaves and calculate where the energy is hitting the ground and then start a pulse from there. So I really don't want to tackle that polishing. For now it's fine. So yes, this thing has now at least some kind of texture. Nothing special, but whatever. Okay, so we can scratch out one of the things we have to do. Is some kind of material. Change particle system of the flow energy for power plant. Alright, baby. For tuning in. Bye-bye. Should I do that one or should I do the key energy one? This one, make pickup feedback for re-interactions. So maybe I need 2 more effects that are not the same as this guy. Every time we hit another true, fire it. Although, I wouldn't want to fire it if we already have this one. We need to have some kind of check. Yes. We can do this after the key pickup. And if we have this, where do we? Current keys. If we don't have it in the current keys, then do this. Needs to be behind it. Goes here. Vision. One contains not. Wait. We would need to add it on the other ones too then though. This needs to happen regardless. Should be add unique. Already a bug. No, it's... This needs to happen regardless. Now between that and this, if false, it go here, contains our little local. So if it does not contain true, and make the particle effect. If it does contain it, then it goes to false, and we just do add unique. We actually don't need it is already in, so this add unique is also not necessary anymore then. And just go with add here. We are adding it uniquely. Here we go. First thing. Maybe we can do a function for creating effects. Have to time. Add effects on layer, and then we can get this. Class. Bolts. It's fine now. This is an actor. No. Okay. We just need two different. Nothing if true. Now it gets a little more complicated. If this one is bigger, and this one has it, do it in front so if we have an entry. Don't do it. I know that this needs to. Yeah, we are doing this multiple times right now, that's why. We have the first one. Here it's true. And there is no whatever. This with this. Oh. Not needed anymore. Good. So we go here, say, hey, do you have the key that we just interacted with? If not, we make an effect and add the key to our thingy. And we look, hey, while you interacted, do you have more than 30%, 33% of energy? Look here on the find. We already have one entry here. If we have no entries, we add with a effect a skippable, wrong, which is correct. Then we ask, hey, do you have 66% or more? No, we have even more. This is the 30, this is the 66, and this is the 100%. This is the 100%. If we have 100% energy, true, you look, hey, the entry you found, does it have a value of permanently open? Not. Then make effect and make permanently open. So we just need two different key pickup effects now. Up. $33. With that Niagara. On this. 33, 600. That. Now let's see. We have the key, we get like rings. And we can do other things now then too, right? Maybe I just do some simple ones. Three X mountain, yeah, why not? 6 and add here. Need like time until it stops. Say 5 seconds. No, let's say 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Good enough. What else can we do? Omnidirectional burst. Yeah, why not, right? Whatever, let's that one. How does it look like? Yeah, that's bad. Yeah, whatever. We will take it. Okay. So let's see how this goes. So 1 energy. Okay. Second one. Oh, that's bad. Why does it not do it? Where's the player? Close it? There it is. What happens here? Well, it does do something. last part. Not everything else. It found this. Why did it stop before? Or why did it go here multiple times? Bigger question here. And keys. Right. Let's see. Now, once it will go here and then it will stop. Correct. If I do it now, it should go to false, but it doesn't. Why? Wait, I didn't set the pick. I get it. The code is correct. Just not these. There we go. Why it didn't do anything after 3 times. First, second, and our third. 3. Means if I do all 3 of at the same time, like 3 energy, then they should fire all 3 together. Yay! Okay, so that one worked. Clean it up. Wait, what do I do if I open it permanently? I can always get a key, so I... Should do this beforehand. You can see do you have it here? And there. Okay, even if you do a double check. Fine. I really don't care anymore. This. Find. And so if this is true and we cannot find key, then we do this. what an if state. Should be fine. So now it should have the same functionality. Let's try that. So we need 2 runs. First, 1 by 1. Okay. 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 Run 1, and then now we do all 3 together. And we go back home and go to the islands. And then try to pick it up again. It should not allow do any effects. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Now we return home. What happens if I return home from here? I break things? We okay? The player. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now shouldn't give us a thing. One, two, three. Power opens, but no effects. Yes. Alrighty. So this one is also now done. Change particle system. Low energy of warpling. I don't know what kind of effect I want to do on the Orplings. Maybe it will be like reflected on the Orplings themselves, but the fountain effect rather annoying. Where is the fountain effect anyway? Here. There. Orpling flow energy particles. So what kind of particles do I want to do? Like just particles going slowly in all directions, maybe? Bone. On point. No gravity, please. Add velocity. Say 5 to 10. That's 25 to 50. This could be it. Don't need this. Drag is fine, scale, whatever, it's all fine. Spawn rate, maybe 10. This looks okay. Let's see how it looks in the wild. This is kind of fine. So yeah, this is a work in progress. This will not stay like that because just doing particles there instead of the orbitings themselves. But it's fine like this. And it stopped. We have 1 energy. I can now spend here. I didn't get an energy. Okay, we found a bug we really need to fix. Don't know why I didn't get a energy there. Very important. Okay, so today I didn't do any bug fixes, so probably change the title. Okay. Could go for this tomorrow, then start bug fixing and testing. Alright, I'm done for today. Everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye, monkey.